The purpose of this webinar is to inform you about the 1098-T tax form, the information reported on the form, and how to access it. Since we are not licensed tax professionals or tax advisors, we cannot provide information regarding how to use the form for tax purposes. What is the 1098-T form? The 1098-T is an IRS tax form provided to eligible students by UC San Diego. It reports qualified tuition and related expenses paid during the calendar year. It can be used to assist taxpayers in determining eligibility for certain education tax credits. Students are able to access their 1098-T form in one of two ways. If they provided consent to view the form electronically, they can now view the form online at the tab services site www.tsc1098t.com. To log in, students will use the following information: site ID 11563, username as their PID number including the A, and for returning students who have accessed their 1098-T form online before, they will use the password that they had previously created. If you forgot your password, click on Forgot Password and a new password reset email will be sent to your UCSD email. For new students who have never accessed their 1098-T form online before, they will insert the last four digits of their Social Security ITIN number. If you do not have a Social Security or an ITIN number, use 0000. Unfortunately, parents do not have a separate login. If you are a parent, guardian, or family member who needs the 1098-T, please have your student log into the tab services site to download a copy of the form. If you are a student who did not provide consent to view the form online, a mailed copy will be sent to your current mailing address on file. A few things to note. If your current mailing address is not correct, please update it at tritonlink.ucsd.edu. 1098-Ts have already been mailed, so we cannot send it to another address. If you change your mind and would prefer to view your 1098-T form online, please log into tab services at www.tsc1098t.com. What is reported on the 1098-T? As mentioned earlier, the 1098-T form reports amounts paid for qualified tuition and related expenses as well as other related information. Box 1 includes qualified tuition and related expenses as defined by the IRS Publication 970. The IRS does not consider the following items to be qualified education expenses: housing, transportation fees, one-time document fee, books, supplies, equipment, and health insurance. Box 5 includes all scholarships and grants awarded during the calendar year. Regardless of what it applies to, the total amount received is reported in Box 5. This box may also include tuition and fee remissions, fellowships, traineeships, and stipends. If adjustments for the 2021 calendar year were made during the 2022 calendar year, these amounts will be populated in boxes 4 and/or 6. UC San Diego does not report any information in box 2 or 3, so they are left blank. What if the information on my 1098-T is incorrect? If your name or Social Security/ITIN number is incorrect on your 1098-T, you will need to first update your information with the registrar's office by filling out the online form. Request to update or change name or Social Security/ITIN. Once your information has been updated, submit a ticket to our office and we will update your 1098-T. If any other information on your form is incorrect, please submit a service ticket with our office and a representative will work with you to correct your form. 1098-T resources. While we can't explain the information used to populate the 1098-T tax form, we are not licensed tax advisors or preparers. We are not allowed to discuss tax implications, how this form may relate to you, or give tax advice. The IRS does provide free tax advice and help locations here searchable by zip code. Thank you for watching. Any of the links or additional information mentioned in this video can be found at sfs.ucsd.edu.